Let's look at Chapter 14, Lesson 2, Practice, Introducing Variables. Complete the puzzle below. Think of a number. So you have 2, then you're going to add 3 to it. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Then you're going to triple the result. So 5 times 3 is going to be 15. Subtract 1, you get 14. Subtract the number you thought of first. So 14 minus 2 is 12. Divide by 2, which is 6. Subtract the number you thought of first, which would be 6 minus 2, which would be 4. You're going to start with 8 now. You're going to add 3, which equals 11. Triple the result, you get 33. Subtract 1 is 32. Subtract the number you thought of first. So 32 minus 8 is going to be 24. Divide by 2, you get 12. Subtract the number you thought of first. So 12 minus 8, which equals 4. This one, you have a 15 here, so it said add 3, but we're going to subtract 3 to get our original number. So 15 minus 3 is going to be 12. So 12 plus 3 is 15. You're going to triple the result, so 15 times 3 is 45. Subtract 1 is going to be 44. Subtract the number that you thought of first. That's going to be 32. Divide by 2, so you're going to have 16. And then subtract the number that you thought of first. So 16 minus 12 is 4. The same strategy, we're going to take 10 minus 3, which is 7. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 tripled is going to be 30. Subtract 1 is 29. Subtract the number that you thought of first, which is going to be 22. Divide by 2, which is 11. Subtract 7 from 11, which is 4. You thought of 1 first, you're going to add 3, which is 4. Triple the results. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract 1, which is 11. Subtract the number that you thought of first is 10. Divide by 2 is 5. Subtract 1 from that and you get 4. This one, you get to think of your own numbers. So I'm going to think of 3. Add 3, I get 6. Triple the results and I'm going to get 18. Subtract 1 is 17. Subtract the number that I thought of first is 14. Divide by 2 is 7. Subtract 3 from 7 and I get 4. You can see that there's a pattern to this game. Tyken used squares to make the pattern shown. How many squares are in the 10th figure of the game? In the first figure you have 4. Then you have 6 in the second figure. Then you have 8. Then you're going to have 10. You can see that they're just adding 2 more. So then I would have 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's the 9th number, so the 10th number would be 22. Remember to show your work.